Morocco, a land shaped by two maritime horizons, the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. From this dual facade emerged a royal vision embodied in the National Port Strategy 2030, built around three pillars: build, expand, integrate. This strategy transforms a geographic asset into an integrated and sustainable network, a driver of competitiveness, a lever of maritime connectivity, and a foundation for an inclusive and resilient blue economy. Morocco's port network comprises 44 ports, 14 open to international trade, 22 dedicated to fisheries, and 8 serving as marinas. Together, they represent more than 73 kilometers of protective works and 65 kilometers of berthing structures, with a potential handling capacity exceeding 350 million tons per year. This structure gives rise to 6 regional port clusters, complementary and interconnected, forming a coherent and sustainable ecosystem, a network where each port fulfills its role, and together, they reflect the maritime strength of the kingdom. Casablanca, the historic port and the beating heart of the national economy, is reinventing itself to accompany the country's dynamism. To the west, Yorf Lasfar, a powerful industrial port, links Morocco's energy and mineral resources to global markets. At the center, Agadir, rooted in agriculture and fisheries, affirms the export vocation of its region. In the south, Laayoune plays a key role in offshore and coastal fisheries. As the reference port of the southern provinces, it supports the regional maritime economy and contributes to the growth of the kingdom's fisheries exports. To the north, Tanje Med, a globally connected hub, symbolizes Morocco's integration into the world's major maritime routes. Within this dynamic, new platforms are emerging, extending the kingdom's ambition on the maritime stage. In the east, Nador West Med, a next-generation port, is designed to reinforce Morocco's position on the Mediterranean facade and to support the nation's energy transition. In the south, Dakhla Atlantique rises as a major continental anchor. More than a port, it embodies the royal vision for the Atlantic and charts a corridor of shared prosperity with the Sahel and West Africa. Conceived as a multi-purpose platform, it will also drive Morocco's energy transition by integrating future logistics chains and renewable energies. Morocco's ports are leading an ambitious green transition: renewable energies, decarbonized logistics, alternative fuels, a responsible maritime future already taking shape. And because maritime power is also forged on land, the shipbuilding industry is rising. Building, repairing, transforming, Morocco asserts its expertise. Through a visionary strategy, the kingdom joins the ranks of great maritime nations. Its ports are no longer mere gateways. They are platforms of innovation, engines of growth, bridges between Africa and the world, an ambition driven by its human capital, shaped by the ocean, turned toward the horizon. The power of a port network, more than a vision, a future.